If you want to open a split screen view on OnePlus 15R, what you can do is, for example, if you open any of the apps that support the split screen view, you can go to the recent apps, just like that, and you can tap on the app name above the preview, and you should be able to find the split view option. After that, you can choose the second app that you want to use in the split screen view. As you can see, we can grab by this line over here between these two apps in order to change these proportions. We have these dots at the top of each app that we can use to find additional options. And you can swipe all the way up or all the way down in order to go back to the full screen of the selected app. Not only that, what you can also do is you can use the sidebar. If you use the sidebar, you can press and hold your finger on the app that you want to open in the split view, and then you can just drop it in here. And then, of course, choose the other app that you want to open in the split screen view, just like that. And there we go. And last but not least, what you can also do is if you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom towards the upper left side of the screen. As you can see here, we have the split screen section. So if you drop the app over there, then you can choose another one that you want to open in the split screen view, just like that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.